The deputy director of Saint Germain.
So this is Saint Penthouse.
So exactly. So this is the Eiffel Penthouse.
So this is most expensive room.
Yes, one of the most. This is not the most expensive because we have also another penthouse, cupola, and we have also a presidential suite. So we have this penthouse with an amazing terrace that we will see just right after. So into this penthouse you have this private kitchen that you can use during the whole stay. The living room on this way, so you can see the style and the decoration has the other suite really contemporary. We try to bring some furniture with modern.
Even small terrace.
Exactly. This is just the small terrace, but I will show you the main one where we can organize some private reception. So we can for sure.
But still, very good. So Invalids and Eiffel.
Yeah, so you have a nice view to the Eiffel Tower and for sure the marché which is just on your left. Maybe the marché because the history of this and the clients, and we wear this.
And then you have
this hotel, yeah. So you have the chance to have a big history here, especially in Saint Germain-des-Près with a lot of partners. So the second part of the living room, where you can have a seat where we can organize some private dinner. We usually also use this room for showroom, for private event or corporate.
But mostly people book this room for private events.
We have, because we have the chance to have the private rooftop, so during the summer especially it's really nice because we can, as an example, we had a party a few months ago where we welcome 15 people, and so we have the chance to have a live band to organize something really nice.
A live band was a
yes, yes, exactly. So you have a nice dressing. This is why we used to also use this room as a showroom for events, as we can split the room and the spaces.
So it's like home design, like private residence.
Yes, exactly. We would like that our clients feel like at home, you know. So you can find again the marble from Toscania, which is amazing.
So Tuscany now no marble. Tuscany no marble.
Toscania.
You bring everything.
And so this is the
terrace.
The amazing terrace, if I can say. And I think the light is perfect because
Sunset.
the sun is just
So best place for sunset. Wow. big terrace. And next terrace, next house.